good to be back on the Chub channel. And we have so many friends here today. We've got Miss Baumgartner, we've got Miss Williams, we've got Miss Patzes. It's a great day to be part of the family again, and we miss you so much. We cannot wait to be back with you, but we'll continue interacting like this. Remember, if you have questions, don't forget to ask us. We are here for you. We want to help you. So our standard today is 2.G.1.1. Recognize and draw shapes having specified attributes, such as a given number of angles or a given number of equal faces. Identify triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons, and cubes. Today our question, how can I describe plane shapes by how they look? So yesterday, you did a Nearpod lesson and you talked about 2D shapes and their attributes. These are all different types of polygons, and in a minute, we are going to talk about what a polygon is. And we talked about triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices. A vertex is where something connects, where its point is, okay? 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices, or edge. You'll hear some people call it an edge, okay? 3 sides. We all know what a side is. Just show me your good side, please. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So a tri, which is your root word, which means 3. Tri means 3, 3 sides. We're going to move over to quadrilaterals. Quad means 4. 4 sides, 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Penta means 5. 5 sides, 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hexagon. Hex means 6. So you're going to have 6 sides or 6 vertices, edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a quick review of yesterday because that is going to take us into our fabulous lesson today about polygons. What's a polygon? Okay. A polygon is a shape, and it's all sides are straight. It's closed, so that means it's not open. There's no curving. There are no intersecting lines, and there are no curves in a polygon. So we've talked about how a polygon is a closed plane shape with 3 or more sides, and that's called a polygon. Closed means there's no open edges. Okay, 3 or more sides. Oh, our triangle, that means 3. 1, 2, 3. And so we talked about how it's closed and 3 or more sides. Not polygons. Now, why wouldn't this be a polygon? Let's think about that. Why wouldn't this be a polygon? Let's take a look. We said it has to be closed. Is that closed?
No.
No, it's not. So therefore, it doesn't meet the criteria. Ooh, here's a really cool note. A circle is not a polygon. We talked about what it has to have. It's closed. A circle's closed. It doesn't have intersecting lines, but it's curved. So a circle doesn't meet our criteria. What about this one? Why isn't this a polygon? Is it closed? Yeah. Does it have 3 or more sides?
Yes.
Yeah. But what does it have?
It has a curved line. It's a squiggly line.
It does have a curved or squiggly line right here. So therefore, it cannot be a polygon. We are going to talk about angles now. Polygons have angles. Where your edges meet, where your vertices are, it makes an angle. So we learned that a triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices. We're going to add in another word, the number of angles it has, which I'll give you a hint. It's just like the other pattern. Think about it. 5 sides, 5 vertices, 5 angles. It's going to be all the same. Okay. Polygons have angles. They have the same number of angles as sides and vertices. So a triangle has 3 sides. This is my absolute favorite math term ever, right angle. A right angle forms a square corner. It forms a square and makes a sharp 90-degree edge, okay? You can look at your ceiling tiles, you can look at your carpet square you sit on, you can look at your door frame, anything like that, or your closet door, your front door, all examples of objects with right angles. This is not a right angle because it is not straight up and down and over, okay? A square has 4 right angles. Think about a ceiling tile. The pentagon below has 3 right angles. 1, 2, 3, okay? Let's look at number 1 here. How many angles, not just right angles, any angles, what does this object have? How many angles? Can we count them together? Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So how many angles?
5.
5. And your angle would be right where they connect. See how it matches like that? Like that? Now, it's a shape with 5 sides. We talked about the word when I first started the video. Begins with a P. It has 5 sides. Pentagon. That's right. Pentagon. We know this is a polygon because it has more than 3 sides and it is closed with no curves. Okay. So let's count our angles. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Whoa, 5 again? But that doesn't look like that. Do they have to look the same? No. So it has 5 angles, 5 sides, and 5 vertices. So that makes it a
Pentagon.
pentagon. Very good. All right. So let's count our angles on this page. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we had 6 angles. And we had 6 angles. What is the name of a shape that has 6 angles? It has 6 sides, 6 vertices, 6 angles. All right, tell me, what is it?
Hexagon.
Yes, a hexagon. All right, our last one. I know we all know what it is, but our standard we are referring to says I am able to identify the number of sides, vertices, and angles to name my shape. Because if we look at our pentagon up here, it doesn't look like a normal pentagon, but I knew it was because I knew my rules. 5 sides, 5 angles, 5 vertices, pentagon. So I know this is an easy one, but let's count our angles. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3.
So I have 3 angles, and that is a
Triangle.
look at this. Ready? Julie draws a polygon with 5 sides, 5, or Jules draws a polygon with 5 sides, 5 angles. What shape does he draw? 5 sides, 5 angles. Let's take a look at our anchor chart. I need a 5. This is a 3. This is a 4. This is a 5. It has 5 sides, 5 angles. It is a
Pentagon.
pentagon. Very good. So I'm going to bubble pentagon. Next, is each statement about a quadrilateral true? Quadrilateral, let's take a look. It has 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles, correct? A quadrilateral is a solid shape. It is closed. Yes. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. Does it have 4 sides?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And a quadrilateral has the same number of angles as sides.
Yes.
Yes, it does. So your next assignment after this is to go on iReady for 30 minutes. In your folder for math, you have your visual learning from Pearson, you have your daily warm-up from Pearson, and your student practice book. Your student practice book, I'm going to need you to use the tools on the side or write it on a piece of paper and screenshot it to me. Whether it's through Dojo, you upload it to Schoology. If you have any questions, feel free. So again, you are going to go on iReady for a little bit. You need to watch your visual learning. You need to do the interactive page, the interactive practice, your independent practice on what we just covered today. Any questions, feel free to talk to us. We'll see you tomorrow.